Now I am.
How you recording them now? You gotta wait till the cicada get in there.
Oh, he getting out. Never mind, he got to see that.
Y'all sounds like he jumped, right? Nah, that big head wasn't in on.
He was hitting the window hard. It was scary.
You got a shiny head. Come on, cicada, go in the car.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Ah, he's looking at him.
I got a cicada in my car. Get the cicadas like it's May 31st. Ugh. These are so nasty.
Uh-oh. He tripping. He...
Cicada juice.
Oh, one more engine thingy. Why is there more on my car than his?
Oh, he looking.
Well, he can't see us, but he's seeing the window.
You can still see a little bit.
Is you recording?
Yeah.
We'll learn a lesson next time, huh?
Coming over here in the Jeep. Oh, they watching.
It's in there. He's tripping.
They watching me.
Oh.
Them dudes over there, they watching me.
They can't see, bro.
They can see through the front.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know what you're doing.
Here, Nico, get some. I got a ready.
Don't touch my phone. Come on. Load up the chopper like it's December 31st.
I think one's got on his hat.
What do I want to bake his neck? Run right into his neck. Alright, when I get to 4 minutes, I'm gonna quit. I ain't getting paranoid. Not supposed to come over here with some cicadas or within the Jeep.
You just said something.
I bet it's freaking cicadas. Come on, show me something. Get him, cicadas, get him!
It was attacked.
Okay, I'm gonna go to 10 minutes. Nope, 20. Cicadas. He looking at you, Zai.
Bro, you can't see me, bro.
Zai, you don't know how tinted windows are, do you?
Yeah.
Just because they're tinted don't mean they cannot see you all the way. They can see you too. They can still see you. They just ain't see you all the way. And plus, when the sun is shining, they can see you. Did that just come out of his engine?
Yeah, there was something in there.
And I'm about to turn my camera off. I'm sorry, I cannot ride a Jeep in cicada season.
Oh man, that's cold.
Told you. Uh-oh. Here, now you finna give us cicadas.
No, he's happy to get up there. Yeah, that's more.
Cicada.
Good luck with that.
Oh, you can see it now.
Yeah, but I'm not making it obvious.